is and like what brings you here today?
Oh,
Or
this is the Central Africa Forest Commission. I am not working for the Central Africa Forest Commission. I'm working for the National Observatory on Climate Change.
yeah, so
Wow.
just tell me a little bit about that.
So I will tell you about the National Observatory on Climate Change, right? Okay. The National Observatory on Climate Change is a state institution. It is working on, it has main mission to propose mitigation and adaptation measures for the states. So it is doing kind of greenhouse gas inventory. It is doing climate predictions, and so every 10 days they produce the climate alerts. So you have in Cameroon, 95% of the disasters that we've had that are linked to climate have been predicted by the National Observatory. Yeah. If there are going to be floods, they can tell you there will be floods, and they can tell you it is going to be very strong. So the stakeholders need to take some precautions so that it doesn't cause a lot. But how the stakeholder handles it, it is not our responsibility. Yeah. And then for the part of mitigation, climate change mitigation, they try to see how the climate is working with the forest cover loss or gain, or and then linking it with the carbon footprint and then the emission factors.
Yeah. So, do you have any like tips or like do you have any like messages for teens about climate change and what we can do?
Yeah, of course. I think that it is a something that it is first of all global. It is not something that is going to stop today. So we need to pass it to the teens. We need to make them understand this issue of climate change, and they need to be involved even at very basic level. That is why our institution is also proposing and also accepts a lot of interns to tell them to is kind of strategy to make them be involved in climate change, the fight against climate change, and also the different adaptation strategies that are being put in place by the state. We try to monitor how they are functioning. So we also work with the teams because they are at the ground level and they are able to see what is actually happening in their environment. So they also help us in feedback.
That's really cool. So, yeah,